Are you ready for a message that will transform your day? Today, your angel is speaking directly to you. Listen closely. You and that special person are leaving fear behind and trusting the process. Something big is about to happen. Can you feel the tension in the air? That's because an important message is on its way. Someone is trying to connect. A conversation needs to happen. Imagine receiving a message saying, "Hi, do you still remember me?" This is the beginning of something new, a small step towards a reunion. Get ready, because many revelations are about to unfold. This person is beginning to understand the depth of the desire and passion they feel for you. Stay alert. The universe is conspiring in your favor. This person feels an urgent need to speak the words they've been holding in their heart. It's as if the weight of unspoken words is suffocating their soul, and they know they need to share this with you. They want to understand if you still feel that desire, if that passion still burns within you with the same intensity as before. This is crucial for them because their happiness is deeply connected to the certainty that these feelings are mutual. They know these feelings can't simply disappear. In the past, maybe you lived in a codependent relationship where mutual obsession dominated everything. But now, with time and maturity, you both realize it's crucial to seek balance. You are learning to live this passion in a healthy way, without letting it completely control your actions. You are together on this journey of learning, trying to find ways to channel this desire in a way that strengthens the bond between you. It's a constant process of understanding and mutual growth, where each day brings a new opportunity to reconnect and reaffirm the love you share. This person wants to share something very special, something they have kept in their heart for a long time. They have deep feelings for you, and this isn't something fleeting or recent. These feelings may have existed for years. However, time is just a detail in the face of the intensity of this feeling. No matter how much time passes, what really matters is how much you mean to them. Every time they go to bed, their mind is filled with the sweet idea of having you by their side. And when they wake up, these fantasies continue, bringing a smile to their face as they imagine a life with you. They keep this a secret because it's something very intimate and precious to them. In their fantasies, they see themselves living a stable and incredibly happy life with you. Every detail, every moment, is carefully imagined with much care and love. They dream of a future where you share moments of joy, mutual support, and unconditional love. However, this happiness seems a bit distant and unattainable at the moment. Maybe due to life circumstances or insecurities they carry, but the desire remains strong and true. The dream of being with you is what warms their heart on the coldest days and lights up their darkest nights. It's a pure feeling, growing stronger every day, waiting for the right moment to be revealed. They deeply wish for you to know how important you are to them, how every thought of you makes them happy. And above all, they hope that one day this fantasy can become reality, bringing the happiness they imagine for both of you. They believe that true love can overcome any obstacle and hope, with all their heart, that you feel the same way about them. There is a special and predestined energy between you and this person, a connection that transcends the ordinary and becomes something truly meaningful. It's as if a cycle is closing, bringing with it a new phase, especially the cycle of silence. You can expect that soon this person will wake up one morning with an uncontrollable feeling that they need to talk to you. In their heart, they will think, "I need this person to feel what I'm feeling." This person recognizes, on a deep and emotional level, that you are part of their soul. The connection between you is intense and real, something that goes beyond common understanding. You are now in a moment of transition, that period before a new beginning, where everything seems uncertain and undefined. You don't know exactly what the future holds, but the certainty that you still have feelings for each other is undeniable. The mutual attraction is strong and palpable, but current circumstances make it seem impossible to make this relationship work right now. You're sitting there, full of doubts, wondering if you're wasting your time, if you're good enough, or if it's already too late. You know, these insecurities are normal, but don't let them dominate you. Now is the time to act, to take a leap of faith. The person on the other side is doing just that by reaching out to you. Both of you are reconnecting, and this isn't dangerous in a negative way. On the contrary, it's exciting, full of potential. This person wants to open their heart, and it's essential that you make this work. Think of this as an opportunity to show how much you've grown, how much you've evolved. It's time to prove that your love has never diminished, to show that you're ready to care, to build something together. You both have options, even if you don't realize it. There's an energy around you, interfering in some way. It's not necessarily something negative, but it's something secret, a secret that's about to be revealed. Something sacred and precious, something you would write in your diary, something you wouldn't tell anyone. There will be an important conversation, a big revelation. And don't worry, this isn't negative. It's something that needed to happen, something that will bring clarity to both of you. This is the moment to open your heart, to let all emotions flow freely. It's the chance to reconnect in a deep and sincere way. Sharing intimate feelings, allowing vulnerability to become the bridge that connects two souls, is something indescribably beautiful. This revelation, this moment of sincerity, will bring a clarity and understanding that both of you have been seeking for a long time. The beauty of the moment lies precisely in this openness, this sincerity, this connection that can only be built through vulnerability. This person wants to move, wants to travel to be with you. They have been keeping this secret and are now telling someone about what they plan to do. There have already been conversations about this in the past. This person promised they would come to you or vice versa, and it didn't happen. Someone felt abandoned. There may have been some kind of lie, a secret, and even if it wasn't entirely clear, it still created a lot of pain. Finally, the time has come to open their heart and tell the whole truth about what really happened between you. Revealing the reasons that prevented the relationship from moving forward and sharing how this person truly feels about you is an important and courageous step. They feel a deep need to tell everything that happened between you to someone they trust. They are going through a moment of transition, leaving behind a situation that no longer makes sense, a relationship that no longer fulfills them. Now they are ready to move on and seek a new direction in their life. It's not just about breaking free from a relationship that no longer satisfies them, but also about fulfilling a desire to travel and be by your side. This person's heart is full of a desire to share moments and experiences with you. They may not say directly, "I'm traveling to see you," but pay attention to the small hints and signs. They may use some excuse, an apparently casual reason, just to get closer to you and feel your presence. This move is a reflection of their true intention and the sincere feeling they have for you. It's a desire to start over, to live something new and special with you. This meeting could be the beginning of a new phase, where truth and genuine feelings will be the pillars of a stronger and deeper relationship. Believe me, this person is willing to do whatever it takes to be close to you, to build something real and meaningful. They desire, above all, to be by your side, to live this new journey together, and to discover what the future holds for both of you. This person's openness and willingness to reveal their feelings are clear signs that they are ready for a new stage. They are leaving behind insecurities and uncertainties to embrace the possibility of a true and lasting love with you. You are about to receive a message, an email, maybe even a phone call. It doesn't matter how, but this communication is on its way. At first, what this person will tell you may not be what you expect. It might leave you disappointed or confused. Their words may not make immediate sense. Perhaps they will be difficult to digest. But suddenly, without warning, they will open up completely and say, "I can't stop thinking about you. I need to see you, travel to where you are, be by your side. I can't move on without resolving what we had in the past." Do you feel the same? This will be a moment of great revelation and impact. You will realize that you are both willing to change your entire lives to be together. Your relationship, which was once a secret kept under lock and key, will become something you both will want to protect and cherish. This love, which seemed to be your secret garden, will become an essential part of your lives. There was a feeling that there could never be total transparency about everything. Someone was carrying a lot of shame for having this big secret in their life. Then this person will confess, "I want to be with you. I want to leave everything behind and be together, at least try. I'm not crazy for what I feel for you. It's something I don't think I can feel for anyone else." This declaration will be full of sincerity and emotion. It will be the moment when you both face what you feel for each other, without barriers or fears. The honesty of this moment will be almost tangible, and the desire to be together, undeniable. It will be a confession filled with emotion, something that cannot be felt for anyone else. This kind of message, coming from the bottom of the heart, has the power to change everything. It will stir your emotions, make you question your choices, and bring to light feelings you may have been trying to hide. But at the same time, it will open doors to a deeper connection, a truer love, and a stronger relationship. This is the essence of what is about to happen. It seems that confusion and fear have taken over you, right? That feeling of not knowing where to go, but at the same time, the certainty that you want to be together. It's as if, when you are away from each other, an essential part of each of you is missing. It's something deep, a feeling that half of your soul is absent. I understand that uncertainty can be overwhelming. The feeling of being lost, without direction, can be very heavy. But one thing is certain, the desire to be together is immense. When you are apart, it feels like something vital is missing. The connection you share is strong and intense. What to do about this? The answer is not simple. You need to talk, understand what each of you really wants. You need to open up, show vulnerabilities, insecurities. Only then can you make a decision that makes sense for both of you. Don't let third parties interfere with what you feel. This is a journey for the two of you. A new situation is being born. It's as if we are finally saying, let's try this, let's stop talking about it and take action. For so long, there have been many conversations, promises, and secrets between the two of you, but it was never about someone else. There was a strong feeling of maybe jealousy, control, even obsession between you. At some point, someone thought that maybe you weren't good for each other, but now you're ready to be much more comfortable together. However, this needs to happen in the real world, not just by exchanging emails or text messages. This needs to be a new beginning in person. You are longing for each other's presence, touch, each other's bodies. And this will happen quickly. On the other hand, they don't want you to feel pressured. They don't want to force you to be present all the time. What they desire is something deeper, a let's leave everything behind and move forward together. It's a powerful connection, a huge commitment that you are about to make. The attraction between you is intense, with love coming from both sides. There is tremendous energy about how much you want each other, but your partner is somewhat scared. They may be keeping this situation as a fantasy, thinking, if I come to you, will you be happy, or will you ignore me? Will you push me away? This person is afraid of being rejected, of being denied by you. That's why they are protecting themselves. They are afraid to open up completely, and that's why they hesitate to say that they are making this big change to be with you. Instead, they might say, I'm doing this for me, not for you. But that's completely false because you are the true reason why they want to change everything, want to transform their entire life and leave many things behind. They have been feeling dissatisfied with life, both in love, work, and family. Everything seems too heavy, and the difficulties seem endless. They feel an urgent need for a fresh start. They believe they deserve a new beginning. And that's where you come in, always giving them the space they need to be who they truly want to be. You see them in a unique way, something they have never experienced before, being truly seen and heard. They put up many mental barriers out of fear of the intensity of the overwhelming desire and passion they feel for you. Even with these barriers, the spiritual connection between you is strong. You feel each other, regardless of what happens in the real world. You are constantly in each other's thoughts, and they can't control themselves when they think of you, when they want to be by your side. This generates a lot of fear, but also a deep desire. A personal issue is finally coming to a resolution. The weight of this burden has been great, but you will allow yourselves to be vulnerable. They want to open up, show that you are the only one, and are ready to demonstrate this vulnerability. The suffering and stress, though intense, are about to find an end. It will be a difficult process, but necessary. You need to open up, cry, listen to what the other has to say, face the deepest fears, and expose the desires. They want to be with you and will do whatever it takes to make it happen, so be prepared. You are very close to achieving your goal. You have done everything right, being open and patient. They still love you and hope you know that. They hope it's not too late. They are willing to risk everything, to lose everything, as long as they can be with you in the end. Their determination is clear, and they want you to understand the depth of the love and commitment they feel. So you can finally find the peace and happiness you both deserve together. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for yourself, leave a positive comment for other viewers who might need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.